Hello, my new kindergarten friends. As we get ready for our first day of school, I have a story that I would like to share with you. Many of you may have seen from our open house photos that I love Pete the class and that he is all over our classroom. So I thought I would share with you a story about Pete the cat called Pete the Cat, Too Cool for School. Pete wants to look cool. He asks everyone, "What should I wear?" "Wear your yellow shirt," his mom says. "It's my favorite." So Pete does. "Wear your red shirt," Pete's friend Marty says. "It's my favorite." So Pete does. "Wear your blue shirt," Pete's brother Bob says. "It's my favorite." So Pete does. "Wear your long pants," Pete's teacher says. "They are my favorite." So Pete does. "Wear the shorts with the fish," Pete's friend Callie says. "They are my favorite." So Pete does. "Wear the polka dot socks," the bus driver says. "They are my favorite." So Pete does. "Wear the cowboy boots," Grumpy Toad says. "They are my favorite." So Pete does. "Wear the tie with the stripes," Emma says. "It is my favorite." So Pete does. "Wear your baseball hat," his coach says. "It's my favorite." So Pete does. Pete put on all the clothes. Does he look cool? No, Pete looks silly. He also feels very hot. Pete goes home. He changes his clothes. He puts on his favorite shirt. He puts on his favorite pants. He puts on his favorite socks. He puts on his favorite shoes. And Pete puts on his sunglasses. Pete says, "Now I am cool." If you want to be cool, just be you. The end. Now, as you get ready for your first day of school and you are picking out your first day of school outfit, I hope you pick something that will make you feel special, because our first day is going to be so much fun and we're going to have a wonderful time and take lots of photos together. And I can't wait to see all of your wonderful outfits and smiling faces as we get to meet each other this week. See you soon.